In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to move chats to another device on Botim. This is important to preserve communication history, ensuring that valuable personal or professional conversations, media, and documents are not lost when switching devices or reinstalling the app. To do this, simply head to Botim. You want to tap right here. Select onto this option of chats and calls. You will then head to Migrate Chat History. Select onto Chat History and choose the chat you want to move. Then tap on Next to proceed. Now on another device, you must have the Botim app installed. Just open it and scan this QR code. All the chats will eventually display to that other device. Well, that's how easy it is to migrate chats to another device on Botim. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.